Imagine this scenario. You've been offered a job, but your portfolio doesn't look impressive. Let's fix that. Here's an example of how you can make it memorable and get hired. We're creating a mind map with layer that includes types of projects, apps. Highlighting these projects will demonstrate your versatility and expertise in app development. Websites. Showcasing a range of website projects emphasizes your ability to handle diverse client needs. You can change task colors and add emojis. Resume. About me. This section is crucial for potential employers to get in touch with you easily. You can add comments to tasks. Work experience. Detail your previous roles and responsibilities. Founder. Explain your experience in various fields. Template creator and special projects. Highlight your diverse skills. Senior product manager. This section showcases your leadership and analytical skills. Technical product manager. This demonstrates your technical and managerial proficiency. Product manager. This section shows your ability to make data-driven decisions. Skills and education. Aeronautical engineering. Include details about your academic projects. High grades. List your high academic achievements. You can focus on a section by clicking on the eye icon. Assign statuses, responsibilities, and deadlines to tasks. You can also duplicate branches and add notes. To make a task invisible, add it to a folder. When everything is ready, send it by email. This functionality helps you stay organized and efficient. Use this template and stand out among the candidates. Subscribe to not miss more templates.